How to solve 7 power x is equal to 21. Find the value of x. So you have 7 power x is equal to 21 can be written as 3 times 7. Now we take log in both sides. So you can write here log of 7 power x is equal to log of 3 times 7. Now this power x will move to the base, so we can write here x log 7 is equal to log of 3 times 7, that means it will be log 3 plus log 3 plus log 7. Log 3 plus log 7. Here we applied this formula. Log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. And also here we applied this formula, this rule, log m power r is equal to r log m. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log 7 in both sides. So divided by log 7 divided by log 7. Now this log 7 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be same that log 3 of log 7, that means it will be log 3 base of 7, then plus log 7 of log 7, that means it will be 1. So log 3 base of 7 plus 1. This is the value of x, so this is our final answer. How to solve 4 power y is equal to 8. Find the value of y. So 4 power y is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of y is equal to 8 is same as 2 power 3. Now we can write here 2 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y, then is equal to 2 power of 3. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so it will be 2y is equal to 3. Now we need the value of y, so divided by 2 in both sides, so divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now y will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of y, so this is our final answer.